In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two Airbnb accounts. First, let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding. Airbnb does not allow you to merge two accounts. There isn't a tool for it, there's no way to transfer data between accounts, and you cannot combine reviews, past bookings, or messages. Each account is treated as a separate profile, and that's a firm limitation on the platform. So what should you do instead? Start by choosing one account to keep long term. Pick the one that best represents you or your business, usually the account with the strongest review history, your active listings, and up-to-date verification and payout details. This becomes your primary account moving forward. Next, manually copy your listings from the other account into the one you're keeping. Recreate each listing by adding the same photos, titles, descriptions, amenities, house rules, pricing and discount settings, and your availability preferences. Pay attention to details so guests get a consistent experience. Keeping your titles and images similar helps returning guests recognize their booking with the same host they trust, even though the listing now lives under your chosen account. Before you close anything, finish all existing bookings on both accounts. Let current and upcoming stays run their course on the account where they were originally made. Avoid canceling reservations just to speed up the transition. Cancellations can lead to penalties and negatively affect your visibility. Continue handling messages and support for each reservation within the account where that booking exists until the trip is complete and payouts are settled. When everything is wrapped up on the account you no longer want to use, you can remove it. Log into the account you're retiring, go to Account, then Settings, choose Deactivate or Delete Account, and confirm the action. Deactivation takes the account out of active use, while deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. Choose what fits your situation, and make sure you're absolutely finished with bookings and messages before confirming. It's important not to keep two active accounts long term. Running both can create double bookings if calendars overlap, cause you to miss messages from guests who find the wrong profile, and lead to account issues or penalties if your activity appears inconsistent with platform policies. To recap the clean, safe path, you cannot merge accounts. Instead, pick one to keep, copy your listings over manually, finish all bookings first, and then delete or deactivate the extra account. This approach protects your reputation, your guest experience, and your future on the platform.